Well, it's a delight to be able to talk about the early years music module. It's a very exciting module because it's so dependent on who's in the group and what they bring to each cohort. But largely it's aimed at musicians or early years educators with an interest in music, or those who have been working in early years music for some time. So it's not really a course for those who are wanting to learn how to plan a music session or to understand repertoire or that kind of thing. We have the CME in early childhood at level 4. That's a wonderful course for that kind of information. This master's level, level 7 course is aimed at those who really have some questions about their practice or have got some questions about what music's really doing for young children. And through the course they get the chance to understand the theories that underpin music development in young children, how music can impact children and families' lives, and they get this theoretical underpinning. So the course is really a theoretically based. So how it impacts practice is that when you have this deep theoretical underpinning that you've discussed with your peers, you are able to gain confidence in the choices that you make in your music teaching, your music practice, or in the way that you set up a music environment in your setting, because you have this deep theoretical base to support what you're doing. So it leads to increased confidence. It also leads to the opportunity to be deeply reflective, because you've been engaged in that process with your peers for quite some time, so you understand the benefits of deep reflection on practice. And when you reflect on what you're doing, your practice tends to be much more suited to your learners. So past students have gone on mostly to have national leadership positions in the UK. Because they get this increased confidence, they're able to articulate very clearly what it is they're doing. So several of them have started regional networks for early childhood practice. They've set up support groups in their local area that have gone on to become models for practice. They've gone on to be leading speakers in the field. So really this increase in confidence can allow those who have got deep questions to really grow and flourish and thrive in their lives with music education. So it's possible to do the module in the first year in early years music and then follow a pathway right through to complete your master's studying early childhood music throughout.